In this video, you'll learn how to sign up for an Acuity Scheduling account. Acuity Scheduling is a powerful tool that helps businesses and individuals manage appointments with ease and efficiency. Whether you're running a small business or scheduling client meetings, having a streamlined system can make all the difference. So let's get started on setting up your account. First, you'll want to head over to acuityscheduling.com. This is the main hub where you can access the scheduling tools and begin the process of creating your account. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button that says Try It Now or Get Started. These buttons are typically located in the top right corner or sometimes in the middle center of the web page. Clicking on either of these will take you to the registration page where you can begin creating your account. Now, let's talk about creating your account. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your email address. It's important to use an email that you check regularly and is associated with your business or academic work. This will ensure you receive important notifications and updates from Acuity Scheduling. Once you've entered your email, it's time to create a password. Your password should be secure and unique to protect your account. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access, so it's worth taking the time to create a good one. And that's it. You're now set up with a new Acuity Scheduling account. It's a quick and straightforward process, but setting up your account is just the beginning. From here, you can dive into customizing your scheduling settings, adding services, and tailoring your availability to suit your needs. Acuity Scheduling offers a range of features to explore, and getting familiar with them can really enhance how you manage appointments. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to keep in mind. First, make sure to verify your email address if prompted, as this will help ensure your account is fully activated and functional. Also, take a moment to explore the dashboard once you're logged in. Familiarizing yourself with the interface can help you navigate more efficiently and make the most out of the scheduling features available. Setting up your Acuity Scheduling account is a fantastic step towards simplifying your appointment management. As you get more comfortable with the platform, you'll likely find it saves you time and enhances your productivity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Acuity Scheduling has a comprehensive support section and community forums where you can find additional help and tips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your Acuity Scheduling account up and running.